Michel Sels is the co-founder of SixInch, that is a design-driven company specializing in modern multi-step polyurethane foam-coated furniture. Today we have talked with him about his innovative products, so watch the video.
Okay, good. And all in general, let's say that all your products are mainly based on coated polyurethane foam, no?
Yes.
And what about the technology and the different types of surface that can be produced? Can you tell us?
I can tell you some. I cannot go too much into detail, of course, because then I would. But I will try to give. Yeah. I would give you the basics. So everything starts off with the foam, of course. What we do is since we do lots of customized products, is we first discuss with the client what is the usage of the product. Indoor, outdoor. Is it a private environment or is it more like a public space, etc., etc. So there we choose foams which are between, let's say, 35 kilo densities up to 65 kilo density. Then it will depend on, does the client want a certain CRIP 5 fire retardancy, M4, M1. We can go even to M1 or B1 foam if needed. If this is done, then of course it comes to cutting techniques. That's the second and most important one is, are we going to 2D cut it with a CNC cutter, or are we going to go to 5-ax grinding, molding, a different situation, or in final stage, we could even mold. We have molds from certain products. So these are the 3 stages where the shape is being produced of the furniture piece. Sometimes pieces go 2-3 times through the cutters. Sometimes they are glued, re-glued, recut. There are different techniques to establish a certain size and shape of the furniture. After this is done, then it comes to the coating. Then we decide with the customer together what type of coating is he going to use. Do we need a soft coating? Do we need a really sturdy hard coating? Or do we need rock solid hard? So we go even to as hard as polyester if possible, but there are lots of gradients in between. Then the look and the feel is also important. So what we do most is our Flex Plus coating, and the Flex Plus coating is a coating which is strong, durable, which is usable in project furniture, but is soft enough to create softness and a nice touch and feel. So also the feeling when you touch our furniture, we put a lot of energy in that you don't feel plastic, but that you feel, if you close your eyes, you should feel something like leather or suede. It should feel really smooth. That's very important, that the feeling of the product has a different feeling. And of course, 2 colors, that's the last one. The third layer is always a color layer. That's a UV stable layer, which is very important, that if you buy a red piece, that of course after 3 years it is still red when you use it outside, that it doesn't become yellow or orange. So UV stability is also very important. And we offer 30 standard colors for our clients, but apart of that we use RAL and NCS color codes. So it is a whole process. It is not just a standard product. For each particular item we discuss all these particular things to give at the end the client the product that he wants, and of course that that is quality wise, that it is absolutely for the usage he's going to use it. So for an indoor product or an outdoor product, we have to adapt the systems, because these are different types of coatings, these are different types of preparation for the product itself.